How to find working Chewy promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Chewy promo codes and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo codes for Chewy. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Chewy. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $30 off, 50% off, 80% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Chewy. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Chewy. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide a working promo code for Chewy. So this is how you can easily find working Chewy promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.